Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to create a shortcut into a website to from your phone, from your home screen of your phone on Android. So here I will open my this Google Chrome. For example, I want to make this website on my home screen, so I can click it very fast from my home page of my phone. Actually, it's very easy. First, you open the website and then click this triple dot, and then there is an option of add to home screen. So just click that one, click add. After that, you go back to your home page and it will be shown here. If it doesn't showing up, it means you need to allow the access of Google Chrome to make it uh, access of home screen. Just press on your Google Chrome, click app info, and then click this app permissions, and then oh wait, not there. I mean maybe yeah, should be here, and then wait a minute. Okay, it should be like this. Other permission, it should be have this option on Google Chrome, but I couldn't find it on Google Chrome. I found it on this Google Sheets, but it's okay if you are facing here. uh, if you have this option, other permissions, you just click that one and then make sure you already check this home screen shortcuts. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.